Yo, what is up, guys? And today I am back with another video, and I am with my friends Savage Lobster and P P P P U P A Papaya. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyways, I am going to be giving you a tour of my house. Oh, guys, guys, I hope you like my new intro. Sub to my other channel, Radioactive Boy. Yeah, I have another channel. Oh, and by the way, I'm calling my friends in. I'm calling my friends too. So, okay, first, here's the chilling area right here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to give you a tour of the outside. Wow. Okay, now here's my books where I can get some smartness. I know, because you guys are talking so rude. Okay, and here's the TV, by the way. Here's the TV. And I have a lot of books. I'm sorry for the TV sound effects, or whatever. And then here is some other books, and this is basically my office.
You want to know something?
What? Oh, and here is the boys' changing room, and I have a secret room right here.
Show them the secret room.
That's what I'm doing. Here's a little secret right here. Yes.
Yeah, he has a secret room. He has a secret room to get his.
This is where yeah, I'll show you after. This is where the girls change their clothes, and that's where the boys change their clothes. Yeah, I had to say that. And then this is where I chill. This is where I chill. I'm just like. Why are you singing We Are Number One? Hey, I don't want to get sued. I don't want to get sued.
Everyone loves that song, you know that?
Yeah, it's kind of catchy.
Except they have the weirdest people.
True. And here's my bed with a carpet right there and a computer. Oh, and here's my light switch. Wow.
Seriously?
All around me are familiar faces. Okay, anyways, here's the toilet paper, and here's the royal bathroom. My favorite part is the bathroom for some reason. I'm sorry for the glitch right here.
There's a royal bathroom in your house?
Yeah, it's upstairs. It's an upstairs.
Can you tour us around? Can you start over the video? Because I can't even see.
No.
We have to give tours of our houses to each other.
Yeah.
So, like,
my house is going first.
when I'm done with my house, I'll let you guys have a tour.
Yeah, I'm just gonna still make a video.
Okay, I'm gonna go to my job because
It's like 1:40 a.m. Why would you do that? Oh yeah, it might be 24-hour, by the way.
actually.
And here's the guest room with the computer. Yeah, or laptop. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. The library. The library.
These people try to scam other people so they can get more money.
I know, somebody actually made a cafe in one of my servers, and they're like, $100 for one coffee. Bro, why $100? That's expensive.
Someone that stupid, if someone actually bought that, they would be really stupid.
Whoa, why is my car like this?
Yo, guys, I'm gonna block everybody in this server from my house except you guys. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, boy. Papaya. Papaya. The papaya.
You're the co-owner skills. No. Let's make you a roommate.
Oh, Laurel, you just got It's just like you. It's kind of like you just got rejected.
Why am I a guest? Because you're gonna control my money.
Okay, let me see your house for a second.
Do that.
I want to see your house. Okay, so
What's my
Good job. You put it like right there. You should color the walls, by the way.
Oh yeah, I forgot to make a door up here.
Wait, this is your bedroom? This is your whole bedroom?
Look at this house in front of mine. This is actually a really good house. Here, Jaden, take a look at it. Oh my god, I'm so stinky.
I know, right?
I have two bathrooms. For sale.
I'm just gonna take a bath right here.
I need to take a shower. Yo, guys, look at these.
Look, I messed up your picture. Okay, never mind.
How am I racist?
I'm not gonna show the chat. And I'm not gonna show the thing. I just did that right now.
Block. I'm blocking these people.
You are? Okay, let me see your bedroom.
I haven't finished it.
Okay, this is a huge bedroom.
We should tour each other in our houses.
I already did mine, by the way. I already did mine. I'm in the roof. Wait, I'm in the roof. I mean not the roof, but in the wall. Oh.
You're on top of the wall.
Yes.
Your house is ugly like your face, like your mom and your face. What the heck?
Who, me?
Hey, where'd you get this?
Are you insulting my mom?
No, I'm not insulting. Do you read the chat? It says unicorns 2073 minutes.
Your house is ugly like your mom and your face. Sis, come on. Wait, I'm just gonna bro. That's too far. That's too far.
Oh my god.
Bro. Why aren't you a I'm unicorn then? Your house is probably ugly, and your mom's face might be a unicorn to you, but instead it isn't a unicorn. Okay, your house is probably ugly, and your mom's face might be a unicorn to you, but instead it isn't a unicorn. Your roasts, though. I wasn't trying to be. Nope. Well, I do. I made one actually.
Okay, what is it?
I'm not telling you.
This is what she wrote. This is what she put
She
on
probably, and then I'm just gonna say.
What?
I can literally hear you typing. Can you use your grammar? Can you use your grammar? Can you use your grammar? Cause you are saying the letter U. 60. This is what you put on your profile, Unicorn Roblox. Cause you're saying the.
She put, hi everyone, welcome to my profile. I hope you have a fun playing Roblox. What? I blocked you. Oh my god.
Oh, unicorns. I'm just gonna say I hate unicorns. Unicorns. Cause I'm a boy. Cause I'm a boy. Who cares? Who cares? Raise your hand if you hate unicorns. I'm raising my hand. Wow, you just fell. I just saw you fell. You're just like, I just saw you fell. I just saw you. You're just like.
Jaden, what is the decal ID?
I don't know. I'll show you in the end of the video.
What? I was gonna put it in the picture frame. Okay,
I'm just jumping around. It's already been 9 minutes of the video.
I forgot there's no wall.
Can't you spell? I'm back. Okay. It's you. Sis, let's go home. Who cares about you? That's what I just said. I just said, can't you use your grammar? Because you did the letter U. Wow.
You do that too.
I don't care.
What are
You know those fake ads, like, so one time in the States, there was this fake ad and it said that, get this, a person from,
No, she's roasting you. She's saying you are probably still a.
what kid? She is a kid. Huh?
No, you don't tell them what you.
I'm not.
No, they're fake. You don't tell them. I'm gonna do the same thing that
Whoa.
did.
What happened? Oh my goodness.
What?
My car actually went in somebody's plot. And they just went in build mode.
You are probably like using.
I'm not typing that, by the way.
You never tell people your age.
True, that's kind of...
Guys, just block them. I'm gonna.
Who? Unicorn? Sure.
No, all of
Ew.
them.
Even me?
I'm just gonna block everybody.
Even me?
No.
Oh wow, look at this huge house.
No, I'm gonna block Princess Jade, this boy, and unicorns.
Yeah, just block them.
Because the other people are just like watching. I just hate you.
Okay. So, I'm just gonna end the video right here.
Did you catch that?
So, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. I'll see you all next time. Wait, I'm just gonna...
What if they do?
Goodbye!